Hi there, my name is Sherilyn, and I am Stevie and Sunshine's cousin from Casa Grande, Arizona. They're still asleep. It's almost lunchtime. But I said, excuse me, achoo! Oh, it's just I'm so used to the dry heat, and for some reason I got these hiccups too. So I'm gonna try to read this for you. Alrighty? Okay, it's called NOTW, not of this world. How do you forgive when you've been hurt for no reason? Excuse me. Achoo! Ugh. How do you forgive when you've been locked in very dark, damp closets constantly by your older only sister? How do you forgive? Excuse me. Achoo! Achoo! How do you forgive when you feel hated, berated, called hurtful names that still stick to this day, like dumb and ugly? How do you forgive? Excuse me. Achoo! How do you forgive when you've been made to feel invisible because your sister had polio? Jesus suffered worse than me, and he forgave, so why can't I? I must find, excuse me, achoo! 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 I must find forgiveness in my heart if I am meant to continue. I must find it in my soul if I am to confess that I am not worthy to receive his grace that came from that cross, the sacrifice that was given so freely. Why, oh, why, God, did you place, excuse me, achoo! Achoo! Why, oh, why, God, did you place me in such an unloving family? One that abused and berated and made me feel hated daily. And let's not mention the physical abuse. After all, excuse me. Achoo! 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 Ugh. After all, it's been a family secret for so long. Or did they just decide it was easier to ignore what was going on? But you chose me, Jesus, out of all of them, making me feel a little like David. You chose me before I was even, excuse me, me. Otherwise, what would have been the point of this particular reality? Lord, I pray that I can forgive, and I know that all of this pain will be forgotten. Excuse me. Achoo! Will be forgotten the first day I'm with you. It will all have been worth it. And now I'm going to slap myself at least out of the hiccups and, choo! Oh, excuse me. Oh, allergies. Oh, wait a second. Choo! Oh. But the southern accent just has to stay for a few minutes. John 18:36. Jesus said, "My kingdom is not of this world." NOTW. And I just have fun with these, And because God does have a sense of humor, because he named someone who has trouble saying R, Sherry Schreiber, that lives in Riverside and goes to Harvest. Thank you, Jesus. And he wants us to have fun. He wants us to have a happy life, even though there are going to be difficulties. And I forgot what else I was going to say. Thank you for all of the hits or whatever they're called on YouTube for that one tape. I think it's called I Can't Seem to Stop Sneezing. Achoo! Oh. And just thank you. And God bless you, yours, and your ministry. TTFN. Talk to you later, alligator.